Alright, hey everybody, this is Can23 here. So we're going to be doing an unboxing of my brand new phone that I got. This is an iPhone 17. I bought this at the Penn Center. This is a replacement phone for my iPhone X, which I've had since 2022. I was secondhand, I got it from my cousin, my current phone, but because I think I kind of felt the need to replace the phone, so I'm going to open this up here. I'm not going to video setting it up, but I am going to be unpacking it for you guys. So this is the back of the case here. So I purchased this at the Jump Plus store in the Penn Center in St. Catharines, Ontario. Now check this out. It does have a protective wrap. And just gonna take it off. Do it nice and slowly here. I haven't done an unboxing in a while, so I apologize if this isn't really up to my standards. But now, isn't this beautiful? Yep, this is my brand new iPhone 17. Take a look at the back of it. Isn't it beautiful? This one is kind of a similar camera setup to the iPhone, it's kind of similar camera setup to the 16. Yeah, I got mine in blue. Just really nice. So, and I'm going to see first anything else that has to be taken out of here. And it looks like they did provide me with a charging cable, which is nice that they did. Not going to mention how much this was, but so I'm excited to record some elevators with this new phone. So this one here uses the USB-C, I think is what the adapter is called. So anyways, it's kind of quick, but this is a beautiful device. I think it's going to turn out great. I have to get a case for it, but isn't that amazing? So anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and that'll be it. So this is going to be a test video on the iPhone 17 using the wide angle. This is one of the side elevators at Great Wolf Lodge, Niagara Falls, Ontario. It's a ThyssenKrupp. It's from 2006. Number 4. Bell chart doesn't work on this one. Get off first. Great. So that will be about it for this video.